What is your name?
My name is Alex.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Which city do you live in?
I live in Chicago.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you work or study?
I study.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English.
Is English easy for you?
A little, yes.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do in the morning?
I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink tea?
Sometimes.
What is your favorite drink?
Orange juice.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I like milk.
Do you eat lunch at home?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat a sandwich.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook at home.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook eggs.
Do you eat dinner early?
Yes, I do.
What time do you eat dinner?
At 6 o'clock.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I do.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch movies.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
What is your favorite movie?
I like cartoons.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing.
Do you play any instruments?
No, I do not.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
Which sport do you like?
I like basketball.
Do you play basketball?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I like walking.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I do.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like the beach.
Do you like the mountains?
Yes, very much.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I love summer.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter too.
Which season do you like most?
I like spring.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I do.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I do.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I do.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have friends.
Do you talk to your friends every day?
Yes, I talk to them every day.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I like meeting new people.
Do you like helping people?
Yes, I like helping people.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Do you shop online?
Sometimes, I shop online.
What do you like to buy?
I like clothes.
Do you like shoes?
Yes, I like shoes.
Do you like hats?
Yes, sometimes I like hats.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
What do you like to read?
I like simple books.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I read a little every day.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I write in English.
Do you practice English daily?
Yes, I practice English every day.
Do you like speaking English?
Yes, I like speaking English.
Do you like listening to English?
Yes, I like listening to English.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch English videos.
Do you use your phone to learn English?
Yes, I use my phone to learn English.
Do you like learning online?
Yes, I like learning online.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like math?
Yes, math is okay.
Do you like science?
Yes, I like science.
Do you like history?
Yes, I like history.
Do you like homework?
No, not very much.
Do you study in the evening?
Yes, I study in the evening.
Do you study at night?
Sometimes, I study at night.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I like mornings.
Do you like nights?
Yes, I like nights.
Do you like coffee or tea more?
I like coffee more.
Do you like water?
Yes, I drink water.
Do you like juice?
Yes, I like juice.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I like bananas.
Do you like vegetables? I am sad.
Yes, I like vegetables.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What flavor do you like?
I like chocolate.
Do you like cake?
Yes, I like cake.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I like chocolate very much.
Do you like cooking or eating more?
I like eating more.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Do you travel often?
No, not very often.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to California.
Do you like big cities?
Yes, I like big cities.
Do you like small towns?
Yes, they are nice.
Do you like driving?
Yes, I like driving.
Do you use public transportation?
Yes, sometimes I use it.
Do you like buses?
Yes, they are okay.
Do you like planes?
Yes, I like planes.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I love dogs.
Do you like cats?
Yes, they are cute.
Do you like birds?
Yes, I like birds.
Do you like walking your dog?
Yes, I like walking my dog.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I like taking photos.
Do you like social media?
Yes, a little.
Do you like texting friends?
Yes, I like texting friends.
Do you like calling friends?
Sometimes, I like calling friends.
Do you like video calls?
Yes, I like video calls.
Do you like watching YouTube?
Yes, I like watching YouTube.
Do you like learning from videos?
Yes, it helps me learn.
Do you like English teachers?
Yes, I like English teachers.
Do you like studying alone?
Yes, sometimes I study alone.
Do you like studying with friends?
Yes, I like studying with friends.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.